Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Hannah Flora from Customer Relationship Team at Franzo Global. I feel so delighted and honored to host this webinar session. So, thank you all for joining by giving your time on this precious day. I ensure that this webinar session will be the most valuable and memorable one for each one of you. So, without any time consuming, I'll start with the webinar. So in the next few minutes, I will explain you how our product Amazing Place to Work helps you to build a strong culture with AI-driven insights with 40 plus metrics and actions. So in this screen, you can see our recognition badge that is Great Place 360 Excellence. This is the Amazing Place to Work uh, recognition badge for the organizations. And this Best Visionary Leader badge is the recognition badge for the leaders of the organizations. So I'll be giving you more inputs about this in the upcoming slides. So Franzo vision to not just work in one corner of the world. We are ready to make footprint across 5 continents and more than 160 countries. Our platform supports 20 plus languages. So wherever you are in the world, we are ready to help and support you to build a strong culture. Whether you are a small startup company or a big enterprise, uh, we provide you full support to build a healthy culture and eventually grow with you. So, our product's vision, Amazing Place to Vision, is simple but effective one. We believe that company culture is the biggest strength. In that way, we have designed our AI driven cultural platform that empowers organization to uh, understand your people, act with purpose, and recognize impact all in real time. So, we all basically know that whenever your team feels heard, valued, and trusted, they do their best work. And in the end of the slide, you can see the visual here. So we all know that if a disengagement team is there, it will give you only low performance in their uh, outcomes. So we are here to shift that by providing our platform to shift the disengagement team to an engaged team, bringing out the high efficiency and deriving the empowerment, and finally build the innovation in the business success. In this slide, I'm going to show you the real difference, how the right culture looks like. So here you can see our product, Amazing Place to Work. This follows the DEI and development, where the workplace culture will be like the employees feel valued, safe, with positive energy, and they bring out their best in the organization. But the culture that will be in risk, that do not follows the DEI and development. The team will feel excluded and they face biases where they also undergo low morale and there will be a quiet quitting in the organization. So here we have provided you the unique customer dashboard, which displays the DI score, and this is for your reference. And also we have provided you the link for the AI Cultural Life Coach. So by clicking into the link, you can view the demo avatar video, and this is also available in our website. So this is the most important slide that I'm going to explain you now. Uh, so uh, this is the this is where the real magic happens. So our product AI powered one survey brings out the total cultural transformation, where it tackles 78 workplace cultural issues across the 15 strategic dimensions. So in this chart, you can view the key focus area where the 15 strategic dimensions are involved. So the key focus area are such as leadership and vision, managerial effectiveness, well-being and work-life balance, team collaboration, and so many. So these key areas contribute how the workplace culture is strong and healthy in your organization. So this you need not figure all alone. Our AI cultural coach is available 24/7 on live to give you recommendations to build a strong culture. So now I'm going to explain about the approach of our platform. I will be explaining you the key factors that are involved in our approach. So first, mainly we have the real-time AI surveys that are aligned with our global benchmark, and also the cultural insights that we provide are aligned with the DEI principle. DEI stands for diversity, equity, and inclusion. And the main thing that I have to specify you all, that is the report that is being generated once the survey is done, the accuracy of the report will be 99.3% cultural decoding. And when it comes to the recognition, once the organization scores the DEI score of 70% and above, there will be an instant recognition system, there will be recognition provided to you. And also, if the organization doesn't score 70% and above, we will be providing you the action plan that you can implement in your organization. After implementing, you can do the resurvey and get the recognition badge. So our platform will be providing you 24/7 AI master cultural coach to you, and the data that you submit to our platform will be completely safe and secured under GDPR, ISO, and cloud encryption. Last but not least, I have to specify you all that the generated reports, once the survey is done, is within 3 seconds. That is the speed to impact, which is outstanding. So now I hand over rest of the slides to my co-partner, Manish Kannan, who will be explaining you the upcoming slides. Thank you.
Thank you, Hannah ma'am. Thank you for your in-depth and great exploration of our product, Amazing Place to Work. Hi all, I'm Manish K from Franco, who is working as a program manager here. From this slide onwards, I'm going to take over the presentation. So coming to the point, what we are going to say here is how we are going to get started with the application. And you can see the unique customer dashboard we got provided in this slide. You can have the registration first and then you can take the free trial, or else directly we can have the commercial product. Once we onboarded, the unique dashboard will be get enabled to you, and there you can see the real-time insights. And after that, you can have the training and development section anytime by anywhere. And that training and development will be given by the AA cultural coach, which is available round the clock, and it will be based on the service course that your company has got. And this is fully automated when no man intervention is going to happen. And coming to the next slide, you can see the sample questions that we have provided here. Like this, there will be 20 powerful questions that we have provided in the application. And that questions will analyze your cultural issues, that is the 78 cultural issues based on the diversity, equity, and inclusion. And based on that, you can see the report in the dashboard that contains 40 plus submetrics and 15 metric values you can see there. And those metric will show you how to enhance your organization's workplace culture still. And this will empower your organization's productivity. You can have the option customized questions in the application, that is world's first feature of any cultural survey company not yet given. So you can fix the questions for a survey based on your workplace culture. And moving on to the next slide, you can see the Franzo's transparent pricing. We have provided this slide to build the transparency and trust with the customers. And we are always open to the customer. That's why we have provided this slide here. And coming to the cultural and training development, you can see that we are providing the text to live interaction, voice live interaction, and video live interaction, which is completely driven with the AI. And Moving on to the next slide, we are providing additionally the digital platform elevation to you by celebrating your culture, your workplace culture badge. That once you get the amazing place to work badge for your organization, that badge will be celebrated in Franzo's LinkedIn page and it will be featured in Franzo's website, as well as we will include that in the global benchmarking reports. This automatically elevates your brand in digital platform that makes you globally familiar. And this is the end of our slide. Here we have provided the frequently asked questions that by our customers and clients. You can have this for your reference. And now we will have some question and answer session here. If you have any queries or questions, kindly drop it in the chat box. Our team is ready to clear. Kindly drop it in the chat box. Is there any questions, Hanat ma'am?
There are a few questions in the chat box.
Great.
So the first question is, what makes Franzo different from Gallup or Survey Sparrow?
Yes, that's a great question. We are providing the custom feature for survey questions. So you can fix the questions as I told you earlier. And we have providing 40 plus sub metric values and 78 cultural issues are going to be identified by this application. And these are all the great features that you can have in the dashboard itself. You can see, and the AI cultural coach we have inbuilt with this application.
The next question, Manish.
Mhm.
The cost is low. Does that mean there is a compromise in data privacy and security?
No, no, not at all. Your data will be fully protected based on the IEC 2001 and 27017 and 18. And we are hosted our application in the region based in AWS cloud platform. So there is no need to worry about the data or security. It is completely compliance with the AWS certifications.
Next question, Manish.
Mhm.
Is this industry specific?
No, this is not an industry specific product. Our amazing place to work suits for everywhere. Every industries can use this product that makes your workplace culture enhanced and productivity. So this is not an specific for this industry, that industry. You can use for every sector.
Yes, Manish, final question is here.
Mhm.
So you mentioned that in the survey questions are customized. So how many questions can I add? Is there any limitations?
No limitation is there. So you can add n number of questions in the custom plan. You can set up to 60, 70, 80. That is not a matter. You can set any number of questions. So our application will generate that and you can see the scores in the dashboard.
Okay, that's all, Manish.
Okay, no more questions.
Yeah, no.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you to one and all gathered here today with this precious moment. And let us see soon in the next webinar. And this PPT will be sent to your registered email. So you can see there this catalog by any time. Thank you all.